Cannot ask for a better start. Tulad doon ni Hubert Cani.
Being spearheading like the sports programs here, and he has a coaching clinic.
Ito ngayon, Kenneth,
Okay.
palagay ko yung sungay mo medyo humahaba na rin. Natutulad ka na. It was in thousands. Yeah.
O, di ba? 1,200.
Yeah. The deception of posting in social media. So kitang-kita, maraming mga taga-kainta dito.
Hindi mo...
Wala, half-hearted ang tawag
Oo.
doon. Ang kailangan ko, yung wholehearted.
Oo, hindi
Buo. Buo ang loob. Sino yun? Who that?
Point lead for the Risers. Hubert Cani, his first miss from the field. There to clean it up though was... Now they throw the ball away. Carl Bringas. Bumalik ulit si Gary David. Gets an assist.
Throwing up darts, basically. And giving up another basket towards the other end. Mind na basketball ay hindi lang puro opensa.
Kanina pa, 56 points and still in the lone bright spot, 13 points. Going mo ng 16 after that 3.
Well, if I'm Rev, considering how focused
David gets it to Ives. Sazon, libre na naman para sa tres from beyond the arc.
and I'm gonna bet all those 17 shots, even the misses, were all free.
Yeah. Seriously.
I think you should go there. Masarap pagkain doon.
Kaya nga eh.
Because of an MPBL.
Here is Ives Sazon. Nag-focus na rin siya dito.
They need a guy like Gary David who's not been playing for years already. Palagay ko
Almost done here in the first half. Balagasay off that pin down. Gary David. That's his signature shot. So used to they lead at a half here. 64-32 over Bacolod.
sa Alan Kaidik.
Yes. But si Coach Alan is from here. From Cainta.
Oh. Yan, oh.
Di ba?
Naglaro sa Pure Foods natin.
Tama.
Oh.
Give and go, Hubert Cani. Baliga dito, but you see here, this nice give and go between Hubert Cani and Jamil Gapawan. Hubert Cani.
One of the few times I disagree with the official.
Si coach, si Henry Fernandez. Kasi nga, shooter nga siya. Every time he hits a free here, sa mga paliga dito, ang laging binapay the bracket, Abra assured already of that number 1 spot. Will face off either San Juan or Caloocan.
2 minutes into it, you're Bacolod. If you really have concern for your team, you're gonna foul para ipasok yung best player mo.
Sila ulit. Dalawang taga-Bataan. Ringas. Pumihit sa loob. Hook shot towards the baseline this time. Hindi ako makareact eh.
Parang yun dating eh, parang, coach, parang dapat lang. Hindi ganon.
Core. Army Bringas again, one-on-one against Jamil Gapawan. Pinsan tong nasa scoreboard natin ngayon.
You think?
Up in double figures, 10 points. Third guy alongside laban yan sa Naasco eh. Sazon played for PCU. Lakas ng lineup nila doon, Coach Chris. 88-60, Bataan, comfortably ahead, heading to the fourth. Natin yan si Liga.
May exposure na naman.
Fourth quarter underway.
Maaga din naman ako dumating.
Mas maaga nga sa akin. 8:62. Tarang, lumusok sa loob. Bataan reaching the century.
For El Granada, can Coach Chris.
The multifaceted El Granada. Maraming salamat, Mika. Nagsentro pala ito nung sa licensing.
Yes, yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo na nung nakalaban namin siya, no? At that time, hindi pa siya talagang ipag ganoon, playing center for an undersized Lyceum team, and they were a handful.
So he was really playing that position that
Yes,
time.
yes, I remember. Gary, malakas umatake. And then, yung shooting niya, ayun, na-develop na lang niya yan. Especially pagpasok sa PBL, nung aim that. Yeah. Simple ka lang, ha? If you were alive, ha? No, dahil
Kasi mas bata na yung nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Okay, okay.
Ha? Meron pa tayong 8 minuto dito sa fourth quarter.
There should be a rule in the MPBL na pagdating ng fourth quarter, paglagpas 30 yung lamang, running time na dapat.
Martin Gozo. Off the bounce, drops it off. Jaime Reyes counted plus a foul. Gozo, 8 points, 2 assists. And then, despite them falling short of the playoffs last year, they retained the core, adding guys like Chito Jaime.
May JV Casio pa na bumalik. Parang pwede pa tayo.
Pwede?
Sabi niya.
Oo nga, no?
Coach Cholo, sinabi ko kay Jean yan, ka-message ko kahapon. Ang sagot sa akin ni Jean, sabi ko kay Boss Jean, okay, kung kaya mong bantayan yung big man ng Abra. Sabi ko kay Boss Jean, Boss, ang kaya ko lang bantayan sa Abra, si Coach Yong. lahat ng taga-Ika magaganda. Kaya napansin mo yung courtside natin, for example, si Mika, hindi taga-Ika yan. Sorry. Natanong ko ba? Hindi taga-Ika. Oh, pinadala pa ako ng picture.
Punta daw tayo.
Hindi.
Pabiyahe tayo.
Ganda,
Pabiyahe,
oh.
pabiyahe lang tayo dyan.
Oh. Black and white. Oh.
111.75. Oh, ilan na to si Ives?
Ito, hindi lang adik sa basketball to.
Chris. He played for UP before. Kampi niya sila Coach Javi nung pero Malesa, baka lang.
Mike Bravo. Yeah. Si
Tama.
Coach Mark Malesa.
Marco Malesa. Mike who sported that yung makapal na headpad. Di ba siya yun?
Hindi, si Rob Bornansin yata. Nansin, oh.
Diyan lang malapit.
Isa lang ang tanong ko sa'yo. Oh. Ilang points panalo ni Nachi?
Hindi, wala pang ganun.
Wala pa.
Ano pa lang, mga punta sa kanyang tres.
Muna ipasa, Ives. Ayan.
Oy! Laban temp.
Tira mo na. 38.
38 points. 9 boards. Oo nga eh.
Si Bringas.
Si Bringas,
Tingnan mo,
16 points.
maraming rebounds yan.
11
Oh,
points.
see? Yan yung punto
Double-double.
ko. Diba? Parang baka
Ito, Hans Lieva. Top ring. Yan na to. Well, kung isa siya sa tatlong manlalaro, at least in double figures na dito sa Bacolod. Ives Sazon, Takwarens na. 41 points. Yan, nasundutan.
3 points. 3 points. Layup lang.
46.
Maraming salamat. One of the OG leading scorers of the MPBL. Walang iba kundi si Ives Sazon. Ang unang tanong ko sa'yo, meron ba kayong usapan ni Hubert kanina pagalingan sa shooting ngayong araw na to with 46 points ka?
Siguro kumpiyansa lang. Competitive din si Hubert eh.
Okay, napakaganda nung pinakita niyong dalawa. No? Napag-usapan nga namin kanina ang Bataan. Kayo yung klase ng team na nagbabank on sa chemistry. No? Hindi kayo masyado kumukuha ng mga players pag season. Konti lang yung dinadagdag nyo. Sa tingin mo, getting into the next season, sa season 8, kamusta itong chemistry na to? Kasi 3 taon na rin to sinusubukang mabuo.
Siguro it takes time pa para ma-build ng malakas yung chemistry namin. So, nandiyan naman yung mga bosses namin, yung mga coaches namin. Wino-workout naman nila yun and nagre-response naman din kami sa mga gusto nila.